In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are certain diseases which are there, we do have to face, we do have to encounter. I'm not suggesting that we cannot prevent it. I'm not suggesting that we cannot steer clear of it. But keeping in view our previous life, we can safely say that there are troubles and the troubles will come. There are health problems and the health problems will come. But if at all this thing is not chronic, then I think so. It might not be having certain greater effects, certain greater negative effects on my health. But if at all there is something which is chronic, which I do have to carry along with me as long as I am alive, although we can try to manage it by medication, but still these things are keep hurting us and keep downgrading us and keep actually spoiling and deteriorating our health. But there are certain other things which are actually quite injurious and which makes us actually an older person much earlier than the age of an older person. Now the trouble is that what can we do about it, and can we steer clear of it, and then can we prevent it, then can we avoid it? Yes, I think so. But as for the disease which brings us an earlier aging, rather instead of calling it a disease, I shall like to say that there are habits which we have adopted over a period of time, and certain of these habits are beneficial and useful, while another certain habits of ours are not so beneficial or not so useful at all, and it is incumbent upon us actually to try to manage it, to try to overcome it. And let me tell you, some of you, maybe many of you, would be knowing it that as far the process of aging is concerned, it has a lot to do with the mental stresses, and it has a lot to do whether we are thinking in a positive manner or in a negative manner. But at least it has a lot to do with our thinking process, and I think so. I am of the view that if at all we do compel ourselves, if at all instead of calling calling it a sort of compulsion, if at all I do say that if at all we do train ourselves to think positively and to think positively on a consistent basis, and to avoid the people which are actually giving us the tension, it does not mean that we can totally avoid them. Rather, we can learn to think positively. There are certain things which we need to learn, which we need to adopt, and most of that, more important than any of those things, is our ability, is our commitment to think in a positive manner, to think in a practical manner, because this thing alone will be having a greater impact on our health. We want to stay healthy and we want to prolong our life. We want to enjoy the longevity, etc. I think so. If at all we want to look younger, all what we need to do is that we need to think and we need to ensure that whatever is going on inside my mind must be a positive one, must be a constructive one, must be a practical one. This is that simple. I think so. If at all we do try to adopt the single technique, and this simple technique, that I have to be on the right path. I don't have to be on the wrong path. I do have to take care of my habits. I don't have to think in a negative manner, and I shall avoid everything which is bad for my health, which does not contribute for a better health of mine. I do have to get rid of all those, while whatever I am possessing, it is as simple as this one. Make sure Make sure that you are thinking in a positive manner, that you don't have a grudge against anyone else at all, that you don't feel jealous against anyone else at all, that you don't feel bad against anyone else at all, that you don't feel enmity against anyone else. I think so that these simple things can assure that we are going to live a happy life on the one hand, and we are going to live a healthier life on the other hand, and we too will be enjoying the longevity, and we will not be consuming ourselves, we will not be burning ourselves at a faster pace. Rather, we shall try to resist, we shall try to minimize this process of aging, and we will be seen a healthy person, and we will be seen a stronger person, if at all we do carry on whatever have been told and whatever had been discussed during this talk, during this session. Not complicated at all, no complication involved, if at all we are determined, if at all we are committed to adopt the healthy habits and to avoid the unhealthy habits. It is as simple as this one, no complication and no complication involved in it at all. This is something which is quite simple, which is quite easy. It is easy only if at all we are having enough amount of commitment. Otherwise, it is not going to be easy at all. Those people who are jading, those people who are losing their youth earlier, those people who are having and who are experiencing this process of aging at a faster pace, they will be knowing it, and they might have comprehended whatever I try to contribute. Thank you.